Happy Wednesday. I have no idea where the time goes. The fact that it's already Wednesday this week, I'm like, what? I have so much I need to still get done. But we are closing on the flip today. It is finally happening and I am so excited. Noah is actually there right now signing the paperwork, and then he's going to come get me and we are going to go check it out. We've only gone through this property one time, and that was when we originally saw it, and then we made an offer and we haven't seen it since. So we need to go through it, reevaluate everything, talk about what all we want to do and what the game plan is, because we're going to be starting this week. So I will walk you through that. In the meantime, what can I answer questions wise? Flip, rental properties, ask me. I'm happy to answer anything. Okay, so at the flip house, I will walk you guys through it. If you followed me last year, you know when we flipped a house last year, the basement gave me all the bad vibes. Well, there are certain things about this house that are doing that. I'm gonna see if you pick up on them. Here we go. Okay, so this is what you walk into. It's in pretty rough shape. So this is the kitchen area. Well, first off, outside you can see we're definitely going to be getting some poison ivy from this yard. Here is the kitchen. So we are hoping to remove this wall. I'll go over a game plan later. For now, I'm just going to show you around. This is the family room, and then it goes upstairs. There is a bathroom here. Here is a bedroom. Interesting. Here's another bedroom. Interesting. And then there's another bedroom here. Closet. See, all the ceilings need to be painted and trim needs to be replaced. And then we'll go back down the stairs to the basement. This is just kind of like a bonus room. Ceiling needs to be replaced. We got to figure out what to do over there. Then we just found this random closet that's right here, but it's has a little bar area in it. And then there's a bathroom down here. And laundry room. So, yeah, it needs a lot of love. I will walk you guys through the game plan probably tomorrow, because honestly, right now I'm stumped on some areas.